Okay, clock starts, and here we go. Tighten your seatbelts. Win coming up soon. I am here to outplay this guy, whoever he is. I don't care, that's why I am not seeing the opponent's name and rating, so that I can play freely my game. Yes, I prepared yesterday, and yes, that's why people love me, because I am IRONMAN. It's a checkmate, come on. Yeah, that was stupid. 6 rounds are over, still many more to come. Next round has begun, let's see. Can we win this? Let's start with the king's pawn. Wait for the opponent to... Oh yes! Karokan. I like that. I'll play solid variation in this line. Taking control of the position. Oh, he misplayed. I don't know why. He gave me a pawn in the center itself. Now I gave him a pawn. What nonsense. What am I doing? Yeah. Oh. What? 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 I blundered a queen. Now I have to flag him. Now it's time to flag him. Play fast, play smooth. 10 seconds. Oh, he checkmated us. Now, again, I have to activate my powers, the superpowers. Let us activate our superpowers. Come on, we can still do this. We can still win the tournament. Next round, let's try to crush this game. Total domination. Let's keep it. Oh, he's blundering everything. Guess I'll just take weaken his. Oh, he gave me the piece for free. I don't know why. Now this is a position of resignation, perfect position for resignation. What? What? Now comes the tactical shot. Yes, I'm liking my position. Let's try to win this one. Let's try to come back in the tournament after losing one round. Defended the checkmate. Now trying to checkmate my opponent. Grab the c4. Oh, what are you doing? He's playing for time. He's playing for time. Oh, that's a checkmate. Very nice checkmate. You can see there is a double check and no way to defend it. That's a checkmate. Guys, we are back in this tournament by a straight win with black pieces. Do not forget to hit the like button as we are halfway in this tournament. Still many more thrilling matches to come. I'll try to win it all. Let's see what happens. Here's the next game. Let's play our favorite king's pawn. Yes, we started it well. Hope so it ends well for us as well. He's playing good moves, but I doubt that he'll be able to convert it. Just simplifying the position. Oh, what is... We got a free pawn. Now we are trying to win this one. Very easy. Oh, he blundered a queen. He has blundered a queen. That's why I play 30-second chess. You have to just play good moves and your opponent will do the rest for you. He'll make all types of blunders in the game. That's why I play such tournaments. And I like such tournaments, as I'm fast and accurate in such tournaments. Now time to check. Yes, checkmate. We have that fashion. Now we are here with the black pieces. Let's try to play Sicilian stuff. If he plays e4, what he plays d4, c5. Let's play this solid variation. It's a kind of Sicilian. Oh, he gives a free pawn. I don't know why, but my opponents are giving immediately The piece. Oh, one more piece. One more piece. One more piece. It's a total destruction, I feel. Check and take the bishop as well. Oh my god, I gave a piece. What am I doing in this position? I'm messing up. This position is messed up. Okay, let's try to exchange the rooks. Rooks are getting off. Attacking the bishop. Bishop moves there to check. I'm trying to flag him. Position is equal. Oh, he blunders a rook. He blunders a rook. Now he blunders a piece. Oh, what is this? What is this? I'm not getting what is this. Let's block his pawn now. And now that's a king run. Yes, we are winning. Just we have to make it in 8 seconds. He's having 2 seconds. He's having 1 second. Let's try to do it. Guys, let's try to do this. Yes, we won the game. We are back.